Right, good morning. It is just coming up to 6 o'clock and we are at the starting point for the Flying 9's annual charity fundraising event. This year, raising funds for the RNLI. Starting point is Flint Lifeboat Station. Unfortunately this year, myself and Rob are unable to attend the event, but we're coming in here this morning to show some support. The first car is here, ready and waiting. I'm just waiting for the other cars to arrive. So I've seen a few at the petrol station and there's one just here now as well. So hopefully it'll be a great day, raising lots of money for much needed charities, and yeah, it'll be great to show our support once again. And hopefully next year we can be back and take part in the run as well.
Yeah, no problem.
See you later. See you later. So they are off on a pretty epic adventure. So 250 miles travelling from lifeboat station to lifeboat station across North Wales. Today's run is raising much needed funds for the RNLI, and we are proud to be one of the supporters and sponsors for the event. So it's great to be able to support a local group and support a very much needed charity. I will leave a link in the description down below. Please consider offering a donation. Anything's greatly appreciated, and you know, I thank you in advance should you wish to consider doing that, from everyone here at Ramsport, the Flying 9's, and all at the RNLI. Just wishing everyone on the drive today safe travels and enjoy every mile. I'm absolutely gutted we can't be with you today, but hopefully next year we'll be able to join you on yet another wonderful adventure. So that's it from us. That's it from the Flying 9's. Thank you so much, and we will see you very soon.